Are you tired of just reading, writing, and memorizing science? Do you find it difficult to practice science in the real world with your own hands? Is today's reality endangering your career prospects tomorrow? Myracle is here to transform your reality. Our 4D Science Show takes you on a journey through the wonders of science and technology with AI-powered science experiments in the real world. Learn about the mysteries of light, the world of sound, the wonders of the human body, the fascinating possibilities in science labs, and more. All of it is made possible with our groundbreaking 4D mixed reality technology. Unlock new possibilities for your future career in STEM, no matter where you are in the world, only with Myracle. Unlock the exciting world of Myracle in 3 simple steps. 1. Purchase a ticket to a 4D science show of your choice from the link in the description. 2. Join our 4D science show conducted by Myracle experts from Germany on your phone or computer from the comfort of your home. 3. After the show, perform the 4D experience in your own home or classroom through the Myracle mobile app. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what students and their parents who have experienced Myracle have to say.
It was easier learning it in the app. Like I tried the sound experiment and it was much easier understanding about the vibrations.
Myracle is a great app for learning science and doing experiments. This app, it gives you an immersive and interactive experience, so you can do experiments in a much better way.
Very good. My child enjoyed it. He used to sit for 10 hours for the same day to stretch for doing his homework and all.
It was upgrading thing. It was like something new altogether. It was something adding to their knowledge because my child is already into robotics.
Don't just read and write science, do it with your own hands. Join the Myracle 4D Science Show today.